Welcome. It's a delight to be here. I am QueenIwo. You can call me the Savvy Coach with a Heart. And what I simply do is that I cheer you to enjoy optimum health for peak performance and productivity in simple, fun, and effective ways. These have a great impact on your spirit, mind, and body, such that you're fitter, you're healthier, and you're happier. So today, we'll be talking about questions that we must answer if we need or if we should enjoy optimum health. You very well know that we're in times that are unprecedented, and it is of importance that we take our health seriously. So we'll be answering some simple questions, which I'll ask, and it's a yes or a no, and then we'll share some tips on how to enjoy optimum health. So the fact that you are not sick or may not fall sick does not mean you are enjoying optimum health. Your current lifestyle and daily choices are an indication of the kind of deposits you make in your health account, which will determine whether you enjoy optimum health or not. It has been said that when you ask the right questions, you will get the right answers. And answering these questions will give a clue on how the current state of your health is. So you may want to pick a pen and take a paper, and let's dive right into it. So question number 1, do you know the current state of your health? There's something that the Holy Spirit inspired me to do, which I call the SEMP dosage. The document will be shared with you. It's the four cardinal pillars of total health and well-being. So you have spiritual empowerment, you have emotional stability, you have mental resilience, and you have physical stamina. So in these areas, there are certain questions that are there. You answer these questions and then you're able to score yourself. That just gives you like an idea of where you are, in your own personal journey, health-wise and wellness-wise, because it's holistic. So question number 1 again, if you do not know your current state of health, just say no, be truthful. Do you or have you done a personal health inventory in the last 3 months? So when you're taking an inventory, it has a whole lot to do with your sleep habits, stress levels, your diet, your exercise routine, the state of your mind, if you're always thinking positive thoughts or not. So it's important that you do like a health inventory every quarter, just to see where you are, your sleep patterns, your work, how your work affects your personal life, and the list is endless. So if you have not done that, put a no. Do you know your BMI? Your BMI is your body mass index. This basically has to do with, your weight, and which determines, how healthy you are, when you talk about obesity. And there's a range that it should be. The healthy range is supposed to be between 18 to 24.9. It has to do with your height and then your weight and the calculation, and then it gives you the range. Do you know your blood pressure, sugar, and cholesterol levels? It's either a yes or a no. Be honest and put your answer. Are you eating to live? There is a difference between nutrient-dense meals and empty calorie foods. So do you consume more whole grains, eat green leafy vegetables, fruits, nuts, seeds, and lean protein? It's either a yes or a no. So it's either you're eating to live or you're living to eat. I'm sure you know the difference. Do you exercise regularly or live a sedentary lifestyle? The benefits of physical exercise can never be overemphasized, trust me. A sedentary life is the potential home of non-communicable diseases such as obesity, diabetes, high blood pressure, and certain cancers. Next question. Do you consume the right amount of water daily? At least 8 glasses of water, they say, but usually it should be more, but that's a good place to start. It's a yes or a no. Do you practice deep breathing and meditate regularly? Are you constantly tired, stressed, or overworked? I can hear somebody say, yes, yes, that's me. So it's either a yes or a no. Do you sleep at least 6 hours every day? Lord help us. Do you find time to affirm yourself and love your body every day? Do you create time to learn more about how the body works, your food, the food you eat, and exercise? If you couldn't give a yes to at least 10 questions, then it is time to stop, look, listen, and live. Stop the excuses, stop the ignorance, and the daily deposits due to your current lifestyle that will be detrimental to your health in the long run. So just stop, stop, stop. At this point, you can say, Lord, have mercy. Help me, Jesus. And then look deeply at the state of your health. Do your health inventory and listen to what your body is saying to you now. You can hear what your body says if you pay attention. Trust me. If you just for a moment say, okay, what is my body saying to me? Take a deep breath or a couple of breaths and just listen. Your body will tell you, I am tired, I am stressed, I want healthy food. Move this body. You know, your body will certainly tell you. But many times we don't listen, but I believe we receive grace to listen going forward. And live in the present. Live to the fullest, but make wise choices daily, depositing into your future health account. So whatever you do today is either you're making deposits into your health account or making withdrawals, whatever you do today. So you decide. The choices you make every single day, every single thing you do is either making deposits or withdrawals. And in a matter of time, 5 years, 10 years, it will show you the real result. The choices you make today about your health will either add or subtract from the quality and span of your life. Life is a gift, and our bodies the instruments to enjoy this gift. But our daily choices are being deposited into our health account. You determine the quality or what enters into your health account by your daily choice. So today's challenge to you is, what deposits will you start making today that will ensure you have a robust health account? You can just write out 1, 2, or 3 things as you are led or as you know it's time to pay attention to. Until I come your way again on the next series, stay blessed and be sound in spirit, mind, and body. God bless you.